In this lecture, we will cover our topic SQL Server versus MariaDB. Both have some common and different features. I personally recommend that you must learn about both because both are important with respect to their features. For web development, I use MariaDB, and for desktop application, I use SQL Server. In desktop applications like for .NET framework, SQL Server has very good functionality that we can share on the intranet using ODBC. Suppose if you are developing a school management software, it is desktop application, then my suggestion is you can use SQL Server, and if it is web application, then you can use MariaDB. SQL Server developed by Microsoft and the MariaDB developed by MariaDB Corporation. Both are very popular, and that is the reason we are going to learn about both. Both are RDBMS according to survey. SQL Server has a better rank because it has very enhanced features and functionality. SQL Server is for commercial use and MariaDB is an open source tool. Both are supporting SQL, but SQL Server has TSQL, which is an enhanced version of SQL. For this, search XAMPP, start Apache and MySQL, then open your favorite browser and search localhost php myadmin. So here is the home page of php myadmin. Okay, so here are the databases on the left side. You can click here for the home page. If you want to clear session data, you can click here. For help, you can click here. You can read documentation from here. Okay, so you can change the settings, and by clicking here you can refresh the databases. Look at here, database server IP address is 127.0.0.1. By using this IP address, we can also access php myadmin. You can change theme, or you can change language by selecting language in appearance settings. PHP version 7.3.3. Look at here, server type is MariaDB. So here is the SQL section. By using this tab, you can execute queries. Show databases. So here are all the databases which are in this DBMS. For new database, you can create XYZ and click here. So XYZ is the database name. Select home page. By using status tab, you can view the status about server, processes, queries, statistics. 53 usage of select query. Okay, so a user account, you can create user account by using this tab. You can import and export data by using import export tabs. You can change settings by click here. Okay, so and these are the some important functionalities we are going to explore much more in our upcoming videos. So thank you for watching this video.